Good morning, students. So, students, today our subject is Play, Do, Learn. In Play, Do, Learn, our topic is aquatic animals. Students, do you know what is aquatic animals? Students, aquatic animals. Which animals live under the water? Look at here. What I'm doing? Fish. This is the sign of fish. Okay. So students, aquatic animals which live under the water. Animals that dwell in the water. These animals depend on water for their survival. Okay. Now, today we are going to see some more animals which are called aquatic animals. Some animals live in small pond, lakes, rivers, freshwater animals. But some in sea, big sea, ocean. It's called marine animals. So everyone watch carefully on the screen. Students, aquatic animals. In Play to Learn, our topic is aquatic animals. So already I have told you aquatic animals which live under the water. Animals that dwell in water. You can see a fish tank. Small fishes dwell in water, roaming here and there. These animals depend on water for their survival. But in their aquatic animals, some animals live in ponds, rivers, lakes, are freshwater animals. But some animals in some animals live in oceans and sea. Big sea is called ocean. It's called marine animals. So now watch very carefully. Okay. You can see the photo on your screen?
Yes.
Yes. Say, what is it?
Fish.
Fish. Fish. So F-I-S-H, fish. It's also a sea animal. Now you can see
Crab.
Crab. Crab. Crab also a sea animal, marine animal. C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-B, crab. Now see, what is it?
Shark.
Shark. So dangerous animal, huh? S-H-A-R-K, shark. Shark also a sea animal, marine animal. We can see shark in big ocean, big sea, ocean. Now see, what is it?
Tortoise.
Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. It's very nice animal. Live long live. It has 4 legs. So he can swim very easily with his 4 legs. Big turtle. Now see, what is it?
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Very intelligent animal, huh? So,
Yes.
Dolphin. Dolphin. It's also a sea animal, marine animal. Now see, what is it?
Octopus.
Octopus. It have 8 arms. He can swim with his 8 arms, 8 hands. Octopus. 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 It's also a marine animal. Starfish. Very good.
Starfish.
Starfish. It's shaped like star. So that's why it's called starfish. See, it's shaped like a star. We see stars in the sky like that. So it's called starfish. Very beautiful animal. STAR star FISH fish. Starfish. Now see, what is it? Very good. Lobster. It's called lobster. 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 It's also a marine animal. We can see this in the deep ocean. Now see, very beautiful animal. What is it?
Seahorse.
Seahorse. It's a very beautiful and little animal. We can see in deep sea. SEACHORSE. Seahorse. It's a marine animal. This animal very beautiful. We can see this animal in deep ocean. Now see, what is it? Seal. We called seal. 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 So this is also a huge and big animal. We can see in marine big ocean. SEAL. Seal. Now students, these are all marine animals. Already I am told you. So ocean is very big sea. It's called ocean. So many types of animals we can see in ocean. So this animal, again I am repeat you, aquatic animal. What is our topic? Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals which live under water. These all animals can't live without water. Like fish. Fish can live without water. Tell me.
No.
No. So, these all animals can't live without water. So, aquatic animals that dwell in water, roaming here and there, are called aquatic animals. These animals depend on water for their survival. It is important. We also breathing in air now. Without air, we can't live. We can live without air, without breathing.
No.
No, like that. Yes. So like that, these animals can't live without water. Okay. So some animals, they are part. Some animals live in fresh water, like pond, lake, river. It's freshwater animals. But some animals live in ocean, in sea. So it's called marine animals also. We can call them aquatic animal, marine animals. Okay. So students, again we are show all the see all these pictures. Now you tell me, uh, fish. Spelling of the fish. Can anybody tell me?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. Now see next.
Crab.
Crab. What is it?
C-R-A-B. Crab.
Tell together. C-R-A-B. Crab.
C-R-A-B. Crab.
Crab. It is a now see. What is it?
Shark. S-H-A-R-K. Shark.
Shark. Shark is very dangerous animal and big animal also. Okay? Okay. Very good. Now see. Turtle. You can spell like turtle. Say spelling of turtle.
T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle.
Turtle. Very good. Now next. Very beautiful and intelligent animal.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin.
Now say together, starts together, spelling.
D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Dolphin.
Dolphin. So it is also marine animal. Now see, what is it?
Octopus.
Octopus. So tell together, spelling of octopus.
O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus.
Very good. It have 8 arms. We have 2 arms, na? But octopus have 8 arms, 8 hands. Okay. Now see, very beautiful animal.
Starfish.
Star. Okay. Now, why it is called starfish? Can you tell me?
Because starfish shape is star shape. That's why we are telling a starfish.
Very nice. Oh, very good, very good. So, its shape is like a star. We can see so many stars at night in the sky. That's why it's calling starfish. Very beautiful. Now tell me the spelling of starfish.
Okay. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. Starfish.
Very good, very good. Starfish. Okay, now next. Now tell me what is it? Lobster. It's called lobster. Now tell me the spelling of lobster.
L-O-B-S-T-E-R. Lobster.
Lobster. Very good. Now see, very beautiful animal. What is it? Seahorse. On land, we see the horse. But in marine, it's called seahorse. Very little and beautiful animal. we can see in deep ocean. Now see, say the spelling of seahorse.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Okay. So we can spell in easy way CEACHORSE, horse, seahorse. Now see, what is it? Seal. So seal is a big animal, and its weight also very large number, 1,800 like that. Its weight, it's very heavy. Okay, we can see on the sea, in the sea, and we can see the in cold place. So seal. Spell the spelling.
SEAL. Seal.
Seal. Very good. So in these photos, you can see so many animals, but you can find out or other animals. That animals live in fresh waters also. Fresh water and marine water. So marine animal and freshwater animal you can see in TV, in a mobile. Now, anybody tell me the name of this animal? How many animal now we see? 10. Can anybody tell me the name of animals of this 10 animal? 10 animals. How many animals? 10.
Fish, crab, shark, turtle, dolphin, octopus, starfish,
Lobster, seahorse. Okay, 10 animals. So students, this is the homework for you. So I will send this PDF in our group, and everyone make the list of this animal. You write the name of these animals. Now first fish, crab, shark, turtle, dolphin, octopus, lobster, seahorse, and seal. These 10 animals now we see. But you find out the more and more animals from your mobile. From you can see and you can find out website. Okay. So more and more list. You can make more and more list. Now, first of all, you make the 10 names. You write 10 names in your book and make list of this animal. Now everyone enjoy it?
Yes.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, sir.